Hello everyone, it is Tierra, and today we are going through Makeup Tips by Tierra. And I am going to demonstrate how to do a pretty red lip. So I already have on my hand two pre-made little glosses or concoctions that I actually made from scratch. I mix them on my hand because it's just easier to work with my hand as opposed to more and more tools. So I have two lip brushes for the different colors that I'm going to use. I have a darker, deeper red that I mix with a pigment in a gloss, or a pigment in a conditioner, or something that can actually spread nice and evenly on the lips as well as keep it hydrated. And this is also just another red lipstick that I already scooped out just to make this process a lot easier. So I'm going to start with my lip brush and the red, the brighter red, to go on Miss Olivia's lip. And I am going to outline her lip. I'm going to use this kind of as a lip pencil. Now, playing with reds, you literally just have to play with the different colors just to see what actually works with your skin tone. Because one red might not come off red on your skin. It might come off more orange or more pink or any other color. You just kind of have to play with them and learn the different textures. So now I'm gonna go in with a little darker red. I'm gonna still use, the same brush. I'm gonna just go slightly on the inside. And that just adds a little bit of dimension. And there we have it. That is a very pretty red lip. Hello everyone, my name is Tierra Burrell, professional makeup artist. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me at booktierra@gmail.com or www.makeupbytierra.com. Thank you.